Today I'm at West Special Fasteners, which is just outside Sheffield in a town called Dronfield. They've recently purchased two of these machines from GM CNC. They're Victor MP16 lathes. Sonja, you've got a good relationship here at West Special Fasteners with GM CNC, the suppliers of the Victor lathes, haven't you? Tell us about where it all started.
Well, it's really started when we first started looking at CNCs as a viable option, and we got in contact with them, and they've just been so supportive. The knowledge on the CNCs is fantastic, and they give you the full setup. They can give you advice on what's required. They also obviously help with the full setting up once they arrive, and they're there to give you advice
and
if
they work,
required.
don't they? They work and they work well.
They work well. The reason we pick them is because they are so reliable, and we like the fan-up controls as well. We find them easy to operate.
Now, West Special Fasteners, you're making, as the clue is in the name, fasteners for various industries. Tell us about the materials of these products that you're making. What would they be?
Right, okay, so we manufacture in a number of materials. So super duplex is a very popular one, but we also manufacture in a lot of nickel alloys. So for instance, alloy 625, alloy 718. A lot of these items can relate to the oil and gas industry, power gen industries, clean air.
And when you're cutting that material on these machines, is there things you have to consider? I.e., do you have to maybe back off on feeds and speeds, or are they more than capable of handling most things that you throw at them?
Yeah, well, we find with the CNCs, you really do have to be careful with each grade of material. So again, that is through the support of GN and then our experienced engineers. We know the feeds and speeds to use for each grade. And
you've got various different models as well, which interests me. You've got very small NP16 machine behind you, which I believe was installed here just a matter of weeks ago, in fact 2 of them. But then you've got a huge, behind the cameraman there, A26Y, which is a Y-axis beast of a machine. You've got vertical machining centres as well from them. Quite a spread.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we predominantly started with just manufacturing fasteners that you'd class as fairly standard, hexagon bolts and nuts. But we do manufacture a lot of items now. So for instance, we manufacture very large access bars. So we required the 4th axis machines in order to do this and expand our business.
And how is business for you at the moment?
Business is good. COVID has had an effect on the business, but business is very good. We did find at certain times last year that we were having to turn work away because we just didn't have the capacity, hence the investment into new machinery.
And investing at the moment, I mean, it is, it has been a fairly difficult time. It's great to see that you're investing in machinery. Was there not any fear in doing that, or was it really a case of, no, we need to keep going, we've got to keep growing?
Yeah, I think there is always that fear deep down, especially when we're in the middle of a pandemic. However, we've got a fabulous management structure here, and they look at everything literally on a daily basis, and we have got to move. We've got to keep moving. We've got to make sure we're investing so we can supply our customers, grow our business, get our reputation out there, and it is working.
And it was the right decision to buy them?
Definitely, absolutely, definitely. We've had a great start to this year. We've had lots of work come through the door, so we've actually set up on a job already. It's all ready to go.